Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add a family member on Netflix. So let's start. It's really simple. Go to right bottom corner to more, or when you're gonna open application, and like what will happen? Okay, let's go from beginning. Open Netflix, and right here you're gonna see profiles. So what you want to do is simply click add a profile and write name family member like Jessica, right? Or someone. Click save. You can also change the picture here if you want to, or you can also edit for kids. Click save, and right here I get to see Jessica. And when Jessica log in with your information on Netflix, they just open the profile and they just can start watching whatever TV show they want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.